Hey guys, Tim here and welcome back to my channel. In honor of Pride Month, I'm going to show you how I did these rainbow drip nails. It is really easy to do, so let's get started. So first, you will need to paint a base nude color. Here I'm using Hot Tips Nude by Hot Tips Beauty. It is a very pretty nude with a purplish undertone. And I'm really sorry that the camera went out of focus here, but basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get my color as close to the cuticle as possible without touching the cuticles, and I do that by shimmying the product up towards the cuticle and then drag it down to free length. And once you're happy with your application, you can go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. And now I'm applying a second coat of the same nude color. Remember to keep in mind that it is always better to do 2 thin coats of polish as opposed to 1 very thick coat. I've only recently started using the gel polishes from Hot Tips Beauty, and I have to say they are really good quality gel polishes. It is very pigmented, they apply very smoothly, and look at that coverage, it is just perfect. I definitely recommend them. Once the second layer is fully cured, you're going to go ahead and apply a matte top coat. Here I'm using the No Wipe Matte Gel Top Coat by America Nails. This is by far my new favorite matte top coat. When this dries, it is so velvety to the touch. I highly recommend this matte top coat. Once that layer is cured, now it's time to do the drips. Using a small detail brush and a color of your choice, the first thing you want to do is paint a cuticle line. Try to get as close to the cuticle as possible without touching it. The color I'm using here is No Hate by Madame Glam. It is a blue hollow glitter gel color. Remember to use my code TIM30 to get 30% off your entire order. Once you're done painting the cuticle line, you want to grab a decent amount of product on your brush, place where you want the drip to be, and drag towards the cuticle, and then you are going to round off the sharp corners. And that's it, that's how you make a drip. Here I'm showing it again. Place the drip, drag it up, and then round off the sharp edges. So the brush I'm using here is called the Minnie Detail Brush by GETBUFFEDpro. This is hands down the best detail brush I've ever used. I'm not getting paid to say this, but I've used this brush to paint a lot of characters, and I've painted a lot of characters using different brushes, and this is by far the best brush. So please do yourself a favor and invest in this brush. One tip that I can give you while painting these is make sure you have varying heights of droplets, that way you'll give the nail a more dynamic look. And because I feel like it, I'm going to add one tiny little droplet right here. And you can make the droplet bigger just by adding more roundness to it. And once you're happy with that, give it a final cure. And to finish this off, you're going to top coat the droplets with a detail brush. The top coat I'm using here is the Glossy No Wipe Top Coat by America Nails. You want to pay attention to not top coat the base layer because it is matte, and when you only top coat the droplets, it will give you a very nice contrast. And here is the final look. All the products I use in this video will be linked in the description box down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell to turn on notifications for when I upload my next video. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!